The numbers are just staggering. Just 3% of all North Carolinians have flood insurance. Is that because it's too expensive or because people maybe don't think they need it? The commissioner thinks maybe it's a mix of both. But right now, the process is similar for those people with private insurance and those relying on federal assistance. But officials are warning tonight the status quo won't cut it when the next hurricane hits. Hurricane Florence brought forth rain from the heavens and flooding to the earth. For victims like Maurice and Carrie Gaddy, that means devastation above and below.
Water all over the furniture, insulation all over the furniture.
Appliances, our clothing, we're trying to get food. No, it's not about the house. It's not. It's about us getting back on our feet.
Thanks to their renter's insurance, the Gaddys can spend their nights at a Fayetteville hotel. During the day, it's back to the house to take more pictures like these. Just a handful among a haul of itemized proof of how Florence wreaked havoc on their lives.
It is a full-time job.
Yes, as soon as your eyes open, you're working until you go to sleep at night. You're working to try to get back on your feet.
Today, Monday, marking 10 days since the storm made landfall in North Carolina, and state officials reporting hurricane victims are submitting some 185,000 claims to private insurance companies. There could be many more filing claims with the federal government because they don't have insurance. Commissioner Mike Causey telling the I-Team, FEMA will require the same kind of documentation as private insurers.
The adjusters will come out, certainly they'll come out and do their own inspection, but if you have photographs, you can show the adjuster, here's how much water I saw there.
Causey saying private companies could take around 30 days to turn claims into cash. FEMA up to 60, maybe more. His office promising to ensure a fair, transparent process of recovery and restoration. But Causey today worrying more about the next storm, urging everyone to get flood insurance now and beware of relying on future federal assistance.
It depends on the total number of victims, the total amount of money they have to pay out. I think it's just wrong for people to rely solely on the federal government or the state government or any other government to bail them out. We have to have some personal responsibility and personal accountability.
By the way, here's the difference between flood insurance and FEMA grants. In Hurricane Matthew, look at this, $195 million were paid out to those with flood insurance policies. FEMA, though, as a whole, $98 million in some grants. Steve and Tisha, that's a small pie that's divided in many, many more ways than those with private insurance.